Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Both devices must be on the same Wi-Fi and the TV's casting feature must be on. Once done, unlock your phone and open display or connection settings, then select cast or screen mirroring. Make sure the TV or dongle appears in the device list. If it doesn't, toggle Wi-Fi or restart the cast app on the TV. This immediate check saves time and avoids confusion before moving into pairing and permissions. Now you connect. Tap the TV's name in your phone's cast menu and wait for the pairing prompt. If the TV shows a PIN, enter it on your phone. If it asks for permission, accept so media and screen can be shared. Once connected, make sure orientation is correct and set volume on both devices. Some apps let you tweak resolution or frame rate. Use those for smoother video. If you plan to stream video, close background apps to free CPU and bandwidth. To finish, stop casting from the phone's quick settings so the session ends cleanly and battery usage drops. If you encounter lag, stutter, or a black screen, reboot the router and both devices. Then try switching the TV to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or use a wired Ethernet connection for the TV. As a final fallback, plug a USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter into your phone. This bypasses wireless issues and gives reliable, low-latency mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.